Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to schedule workers' shifts effectively. First, assess your business's operational demands, identifying peak times and essential coverage. Next, gather crucial employee information, including their availability, specific skills, and any certifications. Always ensure your schedule complies with all relevant labor laws and regulations. Finally, select a scheduling approach that best suits your team's size and complexity, whether manual or automated. When creating schedules, it's vital to balance business needs with employee well-being. Strive for fairness in distributing shifts, ensuring everyone gets a mix of preferred and less popular times. Always consider employee requests for specific days off or shift preferences, accommodating them when possible. Adequate staffing prevents overwork and burnout, which can lead to decreased productivity and higher turnover. A balanced approach fosters a positive work environment. Modern scheduling offers various tools and methods to streamline the process. Digital scheduling software can save significant time, reduce errors, and provide easy access for employees. Consider implementing rotating shifts to ensure fairness and prevent any single employee from consistently working undesirable hours. Establish a clear communication plan for any schedule changes, giving employees ample notice. This transparency builds trust and minimizes confusion. After implementing a schedule, the work isn't over. Regularly review your schedules to identify areas for improvement, ensuring they remain efficient and compliant with labor laws. Actively solicit feedback from your employees. Their insights are invaluable for refining future schedules. Use performance data and operational trends to make informed adjustments, optimizing staffing levels for maximum productivity and employee satisfaction. Continuous improvement is key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.